the shadow. F for acerola, red and bright. A for amberella, tropical delight. B for banana, B for blueberry. B for blackberry, never in a hurry. B for boysenberry, tangy and bold. B for belle, from stories of old. C for cherry, C for cranberry. C for currant, red, black, or berry. C for cantaloupe, orange and round. C for carambola, stars that astound. D for date, D for dragon fruit. D for dewberry, oh what a hoot. D for damson, a type of plum. D for Davidson's plum, yum yum yum. E for elderberry, E for egg fruit. E for emu, apple, rare and cute. E for etrog, a citrusy gem. E for evergreen, huckleberry from forest stem. Or fresh every time. F for forest, strawberry, hidden in grass. F for Fuji apple, a crunchy class. G for guava, G for grapes. G for gooseberry, in all shapes. G for golden kiwi, fuzzy and gold. G for grapefruit, bitter and bold. H for honeydew, H for hackberry. H for huckleberry, sweet and merry. H for hawthorn fruit, used in teas. H for horny melon with spiky sprees. I for Indian fig, I for ice apple. I for imbu fruit, sweet and dappled. I for Indian gooseberry, bitter but great. I for Illawarra plum on an Aussie plate. J for jackfruit, J for jujube. J for Java apple in tropical cube. J for Djibouti, cup of grapes on a tree. J for Japanese plum, sweet as can be. K for kiwi, K for kumquat. K for kaffir lime, sour on the spot. K for K apple, yellow and tart. K for kawano, a horned work of art. L for lemon, L for lime. L for lychee, tasty every time. L for loganberry, juicy and red. L for longan, by dragon fruit led. M for mango, M for melon. M for mulberry, color like a felon. M for mandarin, sweet and small. M for mangosteen, queen of them all. N for nectarine, N for nuts. N for nashi, pure in Japan's dance. N for nutmeg, fruit, spice, and more. N for natal, plum from African shore. O for orange, O for olive. O for ora blanco, citrus to live. O for opal, apple shiny and new. O for Oregon grape, not grapes but true. P for papaya, P for peach. P for pear, so soft to reach. P for pineapple, tall and spiked. P for passion fruit, perfectly liked. Q for quince, golden and bright. Q for quandong, desert delight. Q for queen and cherry, sweet and rare. Q for quineppa, with tropical flair. Delight. S for strawberry, S for star fruit. S for sapodilla, caramel pursuit. S for soursop, prickly but sweet. S for salac with snake-like feet. T for tangerine, T for tomato. Yes, it's a fruit, now you know. T for tamarind, sticky and sour. T for tayberry, purple power.
U for ugly fruit, U for umbu. U for avarara, grapes in a crew. U for Elvilla, golden gooseberry. U for Avellino, rare but merry. V for velvet apple, V for vavanga, also called Spanish tamarind, a juicy banga. V for vanilla fruit, orchids bloom, a pot of sweetness and strong perfume. W for watermelon, W for wax apple. W for white mulberry, sweet and supple. W for wild strawberry, hiding low, a pot of sweetness and strong perfume. X for Sequoia, Chinese delight. It's watermelon, red and bright. X for yen and hackberry. Y for young berry, rich and merry. Y for young berry, juicy and rare. A red bayberry with flair in the air. Z for Ziziphus or jujube tree. Z for a fruit like mulberry. Z for Zinfandel grape used in wine. From A to Z, the fruits are divine. Now you know your fruit A to Z. From tropical lands to forest tree. So next time you snack, think of this song and choose your fruits all day long. U for ugly fruit, U for umbu. U for avarara, grapes in a crew. U for avila, golden gooseberry. U for avelino, rare but merry. V for velvet apple, V for vavanga, also called Spanish tamarind, a juicy banga. V for vanilla fruit, orchids bloom, a pot of sweetness and strong perfume. W for watermelon, W for wax apple. W for white mulberry, sweet and supple. W for wild strawberry, hiding low, a pot of sweetness and strong perfume. X for Ziqua, Chinese delight. It's watermelon red and bright. X is tricky, but we made it through. Fruits with X are very few. Y for yellow passion fruit, Y for yen and hackberry. Y for young berry, rich and merry. Y for young berry, juicy and rare. A red